Imagine your body as a sophisticated machine that needs regular maintenance to function optimally. That's sleep for you, a critical physiological process divided into two main types: non-rapid eye movement or NREM and rapid eye movement or REM. Sleep unfolds in cycles, each lasting about 90 minutes, and during these cycles your body dances between NREM and REM stages. NREM kicks off the sequence and is split into 3 levels. Level 1 is the lightest, akin to dozing off. Level 2 sees your heart rate slowing and body temperature dropping, preparing you for the deepest sleep. Level 3. Here, your body repairs itself and growth hormones are busy at work. Then comes REM sleep, the phase where dreams are vivid. It's crucial for processing emotions and consolidating memories. Your brain is active almost as much as when you're awake, but your body remains immobile, likely a mechanism to prevent you from acting out your dreams. Together, NREM and REM sleep cycles are the unsung heroes behind your energy, mood, and health. So next time you hit the pillow, remember, you're not just resting, you're undergoing vital maintenance.